So one of the required field is not populated for all the employee records, guys. The reason behind that is like we loaded the data into the system, but someone customized stating that a field is mandatory. So that is the reason why, like when we are trying to load the data again, right? Even though it is delta, it will try to check the system configuration. In the system, you define a field custom 01, and that is the reason like it got errored out. Yeah, if you keep your validation rule right, yes, it is going to throw an error motion. You have to write your validation rules. I'll tell you how to write your validation rules motion. Let me validate the import file again, guys. And still you can see there are a lot of errors. So many users doesn't have the job code or state information maintained. Let me go ahead and maintain those things, guys. Then we'll move on, go ahead and do further customization. So the errors are with talent admin. So he doesn't have a let me copy one of the existing records, guys. Talent admin K Rajesh. And the other error is like with US admin. I don't know, guys, who created that. And then okay, so it should be good at least now. I'm just populating the manager fields, guys. I'm not doing anything else here. Don't worry, like I'm not doing any intelligent thing here. So go ahead and browse for the file. Validate the file. Talent admin still has some issues, guys. This is the talent admin record. Let me go ahead and import it, guys. If it is errors, it will throw an error, no worries. Then there are no errors, guys. You see the file has been submitted to the system, and what system does is like the system is going to submit a background job, guys. And that background job is going to be processed by system, and whenever the background job is completed, right, it will send an email notification to the user that who started this process, guys. And the email notification, it will tell you like how many records has been newly added, how many records has been updated, and if there are any errors in the processing, right, it will send you all that relevant information in the email, guys. So that is how it happens, like, and we'll check the newly created user in a couple of minutes, guys. And
Raghu?
yeah.
Yeah. Rakul, here we are using some previous system which already have some records. If we are going to use the brand new system, so how do we know which fields we are going to populate? Like, is there any specific template which we have to follow?
Can you repeat that question, Tasneem?
Like this, we are going to work on a brand new system, and there is no any, the
Data.
user or any fields populated. So how do we know which fields we are going to populate for this specific?
No, that is what the template is there, right? You can see data import file template.
Okay.
So this will give you the template, just the template without any user records. And you have to make sure that your data from the legacy system is going to be populated into this template format, Tasneem.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It will take few minutes, guys, to populate the data. It's not a process. We'll check that, guys. So you can see right now we have seen like creating users in 3 different fashions, guys. One is from your provisioning system, and the other one is from your manage users option, and another is going to be like a bulk update using your UDF file. So these are the 3 possible ways how you are going to load your employee data or migrate your employees data from the legacy system to your SuccessFactors system, guys. This is like all your employees are going to be migrated using a bulk fashion, right? This is the option available to you guys. In a single shot, you will be able to load all the data. And coming back to the other topic, like how you will be able to customize your home page. You can see, as I told you, the moment you logged into the system, you will be landed on the default home page. This is your default home page, guys. The SuccessFactors is going to provide you this default home page, and you can always change your home page, default home page. Say you're a SuccessFactors consultant and you will not be working on the default home page, right? You don't see here on the default home page, you don't see any admin option, right? You don't see any admin privileges, or you don't see any sort of customization that you will be able to do here. Say as a consultant, you will be working on your administration tools most of the time. So, if you want to set your administration tools as your default home page, while you are going rather than landing on the default SuccessFactors provided home page, right? You want to keep your own default home page. How you are going to do that customization? Like how you are going to set that your personalization is like go to your options under your name drop down menu, click on options, and you can see here start page. So here you can select yourself, like say I want to make administration tools as my default home page. Select the administration tool. These options, right, whatever I'm talking about here, they are specific to the users. It's more of like a personalization thing for the employees or the users, guys. It is not going to be like administrative things. Click on save, guys. That's it. Whenever you're going to log into next time, right, you will be landed on the administration tools page because you set your administration tools as your home page. Let me log in again, guys, so that you will be able to see the difference here. Oh God. Sorry guys, 1 second. I forgot the password for the other user.
It's welcome at 123.
No, I changed it, right? After logging in, it is asking us to reset your password to a new one, guys. No worries. Let me show you. For this user, this is the user, the ID that I'm going to use regularly, guys. That is the reason I don't use all those things. Let me see. For my user ID, I'm going to set the default homepage as admin tools. Let me click on save. You can see here. Let me log off and log in again so that I should land on the administration tools page, guys. I'm just trying to clear the cache here. HR admin and password. And you can see I have not landed on the SuccessFactors provided default homepage. I landed on the my own option. My own setting is like I have to land on the administration tools page. So that's the difference, guys. You can always change that, and you can always put it back. Let me put it back. Go to your home. Click on save. Yeah. Let me log in again, guys. You can see this is the default home page. But you can see on the default home page, you see there are different components or different sections you see here. And all these things are called as tiles, guys. Even someone calls as portlets, but the tiles is the most appropriate option, guys, or the terminology. You see, these are the different tiles, and some of them are standard SuccessFactors provided tiles, and some of them we can create our own tiles, guys. And you can see these things, whatever you see here, right? You can customize you can completely customize this page, guys. Say you have a requirement like stating you want to create your own custom tile, and you want to broadcast some message across all the employees of your organization. So how you will be able to do that? Go to your administration tools, because that can be done only by the administrator, guys. Go to your administration tools, and under the administration tools, go to your company settings. Here you can see, go to your company settings, guys. And you see there is an option called as manage virtual homepage. So manage virtual homepage is the option which will allow you to go ahead and customize your homepage, guys. It's not only you as an administrator, you are customizing the homepage and you are enforcing the homepage changes to all the users, guys. And you see these are the existing tiles that are available in your organization, guys. And these are like a mix. There are standard, there are custom tiles. And how you are going to let me add a custom tile, guys. Later I'll talk about what are the other options or other possible customization with respect to your home page. Here you can see, you can go ahead and create your February. And you can see the tile, whatever you are going to design here, whether you are interested in displaying that to all the employees of your organization or a particular group of your organization. Say if you are interested in displaying to a particular group of people, you can just go ahead and create your own group here, or if their group is already created in your SuccessFactors system, you will be able to find this group here. Let's say if you are interested in creating a new group here, you have an option to create a group here itself, guys. We'll talk about the creating groups and all those things in a few minutes, guys. But let me come back and enforce this to all the users. I'm going to select the all users. And the other option is, you can see here, whether you want to display this tile all that, I mean to say 365 days a year, or you are interested in displaying this during a particular period of time for a certain days. Yes, you can do both the options. Only on certain dates, you have to give the date range, or if you say it is going to be all the dates, you have to select the all dates, guys. And this is the size, how big you want to display your tile. Let me keep it as large, guys. Let's say. And the second step, the things that are going. So the things that you are configuring from step 2 onwards, this is the actual thing that you are going to see on your home page, guys. These are like more of a technical kind of thing which are going to be used by the system to identify whether the tile should be displayed to all the users or only on certain dates, all those things. But from step 2 onwards, everything is going to be displayed on the home page. And you can see this is the body or the content where you have to keep your message, guys. And let's say and if you want to add some URLs, you will be able to add URLs. And go ahead and click as the link, provide the link, and how whenever you are going to click on the link, how you should open the target window, whether it should open in a new window or on the same window. If you are interested in adding some images, you can go ahead and add your images. You can provide the image URL, or you can go ahead and upload the URL. And you can see, if you are interested in adding Flash, you will be able to add Flash HTML source code. You will be able to do that. You can format your text. You can add your colors to your text. So all this, you can add some grids. All those things you will be able to do that. Okay? As though you can change your font, everything you will be able to do that. Let me save this. And if you want to preview how the tile is going to look like, you can preview your tile. And let me come back to my home page, guys, now. So I created a tile now, and once I come back here, you can see this is the tile, that the name of the tile we have provided, guys, and you can see system appended is a custom thing, because this is the custom tile prepared by the consultant, and the system is going to differentiate that using the prefix of custom. And let me reset it to all the users. Reset to all users. And if now I go back to my home page, I should see the new custom tile that we created, guys. Yeah, you can see here. You can see here. No, you will not be able to do that. Srini has a question, guys. Can we add a tile to show to the user only when he log in for the first time? No, Srini, that is not possible. So this is the tile that has been created and that has been enforced to all the users' homepage, guys. So even if you log in, right, you should be able to see that particular tile, guys. Let's say in the same homepage configuration, you have a couple of other options. So what are those things? So let me go to the same place, manage virtual homepage. So once you go here, you see there is an option removable by user, and the possible things are like not removable by user. So what happens is, like, see the tiles which are placed under the default section here, or you can see the default tab. They should, by default, they are available to all the users on their home page, guys. But the tiles which are marked as removable by user, right? Say if this tile is not relevant to an employee, then instead of looking at that particular tile, instead of having that tile on their home page, if he is not interested, he can go ahead and make that particular tile as not should be displayed on their home page. It is again like a sort of user preference. And if you keep the tile, whenever the SuccessFactors consultant configuring the tile, right, say if it is marked as removable by user, the users can hide the tile from being displayed on their home pages. How they are going to do is, like, let me go to my home page, and you see there is an option called as a tile browser, and this tile browser is going to be available to all the employees, guys. You don't need any admin privileges. This tile browser is, go to your tile browser, and you see February, I don't know, guys, whether that is the one.